Students who I taught at Kenyatta University. I started as a lecturer at Kenyatta, George Gatitu. So now he was the first one to be here at Jomo Kenyatta when it was just an agricultural college. Now it became a university college. So he was told, look, to survive here, you should do at least MSc. So he was doing part-time. Professor Michieka was very kind enough to give him leave of absence like that, and I was still doing part-time lecturing there. Now he comes back to the department, working with me like that. And then we thought, I told him, now George Gatitu, you apply for the next, you are a assistant lecturer, apply for lecturership. Which he did. I said, you now have done MSc at least, there's a lot of experience. At your back, you will get that. So now, along with him, there were another 10-11 people from physics, chemistry, biology, something like that. So professor was chairing that. It was the job of a lecturer. So he was chairing that meeting. And so we started at 9. He was sitting also around the desk. Then his turn came at 12. You know, professor is very punctual, very, forceful like this. He was not there. So I told him, he has gone to the Joe. He has gone to the urinal like this. He said, no, he's not applying. I don't accept it. I said, no, please. A person waiting from 9 to 12 when he is little bit oldish, he is not a boy of 20, 25 years. You should consider that. He said, okay. He was also very humorous sometimes. He said, okay, you also go to the urinal, and then when you both come back, then we start. Now, once another small on a light note, and it is true. I have not made up these stories. Because I have worked with him all these 13 years he was there, and he did a tremendous, mammoth job, building the place. Now the place is built, others have just to carry on. I don't say the others have not done, but I think since it was just the start, I think he really worked very, very hard. Now, a first year student, this is also true, a first year student joins us, and then he gets drunk. Outside there were some coffee farms, and he goes that side. The watchman there stopped him. He says, no, I'm looking for a girl somewhere here. Okay, but you are drunk. Why do you do like this? He did listen to it. He carried on. The other watchman had both the buckets not joined. The arrow was stuck.